Raila molo nyathiwa ni nyeno siepna. Ne kitwa chal. Othon ta thon. Kono nuwa luor rekata. Samoro we are not tek to marebe tek. Molo. Luo. Luo Modoginga. Gimeri. Nyatemo to tama. Baba Nyasaye no heri. Idhi Roginga wonu. Idhi Irmeri. Imos Gidute, Imos Tobias, Imos Albert. Imos Umuodo Galogo. Iwe nise chandria hinya. Ichandri ne Kenya to Kenya no kata. Wodo dingi chandri ne Kenya. Ithoki chandri ne Kenya. Viwa. Kata kamano. Joey. Imichame mari. Modong girigen. Aluogi imichame mari. Modong girigen. Sakwa winja malid. Sakwa lo. Lo jajuok. Yawa sakwa nyoluru lo. Lo nyoluru lo. Lo jajuok. Do Raila mawodo dinga lo. Nyoluru lo. Lo jajuok. I don't want to say much, but I'm going to say this. I was with Raila throughout most of the time. Even when we left Fort Kenya, I was with him. We went to NDP together. And I remember in 97 when he came to Nakuru, myself and the Honorable Ouda now, who used to be my youth, we went to Massive Ferguson and told them we wanted to test their Tinga. They gave us the Tinga. We went and got him as he was entering Nakuru and took him up to Stem Hotel with the Massive Ferguson Tinga. I went living in Uganda, Tanzania, and ended up in Zimbabwe. When my brother was supposed to be taken back to detention in 1990, he was asked where he wanted to go. He said, I'm going to Norway to my sister. Raila became a refugee in Norway, staying with me, Ruth Odinga. I'm just saying this to show you that this was a stoic man. The family has suffered because he sacrificed himself. Some of you are looking here, you don't know what Mama Ida has gone through. I used to know, I stayed with her. Being alone without your husband for all those years. Mentioning. Some of these men, my fellow colleagues, even MPs here, to hear just about a cell, Raila Dogo to Yedoga Jela, Higakaige Kwaeto, Donga Jela, Higa Shell, Ario, Nakochiko, Monodichoko Hogdito, Otuan Kosokotuan, Otuan Kosokotuan, Ochanga Kenya Kosoko Changa Kenya. Nyakamane Koro Mogitni Raila Toka Podi Wagomana Kenya. Anyo go Kodombaka. Anyo Oro Jogi, Mo Wacha Limono Nyona Tike.